In this vast universe, is there a place similar to our Earth, or to our solar system, or to our galaxy? Is the universe much older than we think? Philosophically, the universe has really never made things in ones, says astrophysicist Neil deGrasse Tyson. This means, there is nothing in this universe, which is completely unique. Somewhere in this universe there can be a galaxy similar to ours, a planet similar to Earth, and even a civilization similar to us. Well, there is no doubt in that, since there are trillions and trillions of planets in our observable universe. There could be many more which we haven't found yet. So assuming that, among all these trillions of planets, only Earth has life, is not wise. Recently, scientists have discovered a galaxy, which is very much similar to our own Milky Way galaxy, just like a twin. Now, you might be thinking that, what is so special about that, since I have already mentioned before that, nothing is unique in this universe? Well, this discovery was a very big surprise to the cosmologists. Why? The main reasons are its age, structure and its characteristics, which defies our theory of how galaxies evolve. Let's see, what is so surprising about this galaxy? Well, I know you are a very nice person, and you have already subscribed to my channel. But, if by mistake you have forgot, then hit the subscribe button. It will just take a second to show your support. This galaxy is very much similar to ours, despite having less number of spiral arms. Its name is SPT041847. It was discovered by researchers at Almar Observatory, led by Francesca Rizzo. This galaxy is so far, that light coming from this galaxy takes 12 billion years to reach us. Scientists observed this galaxy as a rotating disk and bulge, with a large number of stars packed tightly at its center. Most fascinating thing about this galaxy is that, it was formed when our universe was very young, nearly 1 billion years old. And, then also, it is very stable and well structured. According to our knowledge of how galaxies evolve and how our universe evolved, we know that, when our universe was young, it was very chaotic. Its temperature was high. There was no stable galaxy then, as galaxies take a very long time to get stable. So the question is, how can this kind of stable galaxy exist, at a very early age of the universe? Is our universe much older than we think? Scientists say, our universe is 13.8 billion years old. It originated from an explosion called the Big Bang. At the time of birth, our universe was very hot and dense. Atoms were fusing with other atoms to form new elements, and new stars were being born. It took millions of years for everything to get stable. So, it is not possible for a stable galaxy to exist at that time. This galaxy is very much similar to its nearby galaxies, which is contrary to all models and theories. Discovery of this galaxy can completely change our knowledge of how our universe has evolved. Well, observing this galaxy was very difficult, as it is very far away from us. Approximately 12 billion light years. So scientists use gravitational lensing for magnification. In gravitational lensing, scientists use another galaxy to magnify the image of the distant galaxy, which we want to observe. Gravity of these galaxies bends the light coming from a distant galaxy, making them magnified. NASA will launch its James Webb Space Telescope in 2021. With the help of it, we will be able to see the universe, when it was only 100 million years old. We will be able to see how the first stars and galaxies were formed. But for this, we have to wait for another year.